Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Little Linguists educational channel, where learning is fun and easy. We're a new channel, and we need your support, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what topics you'd love to see next. Today, we're learning the 21 letters of the Italian alphabet and how to pronounce them correctly. Why repeat the pronunciation? Because repetition helps your brain remember better. The more you hear and say the sounds, the faster you'll master them. So, let's say each letter together, listen, repeat, and learn. Are you ready? Let's go!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
Well done, little linguists. I hope you enjoyed the class today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Have a good day. See you soon.